Chat, we are back with another freaking live stream. You already know. We are day trading again. I can't stop. Am I addicted? No, 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 no. Actually, I guess anything that you do, you're addicted to. Anything that you do every day, you could say that you're addicted to it. So, am I addicted to eating? Yes. Am I addicted to drinking water? Yes. Coop. Let's go, Coop. Am I addicted to day trading? Potentially. Yes. Yes. But it's cool though. It's cool though. It's cool. Dang. Alright, let's get this money, man. It's gonna be a great day today. I'm excited. Yesterday, I would say I got lucky. That was not the best win. But hey, man, a win's a win. A win is a win. A win is a win. You did something right if you won. You did something right. But now I just got to do that, but just have better execution, make it a little cleaner, so I'm not sitting here for hours just sweating one single play. Because that freaking sucked. I can't lie. Your brother is in finance? Oh, W, bro. What does he do? Because there's a lot of different things. J-Ski in the cut. What's good, bro? You listen to Creep? And it's Creep. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Coop. Oh, yeah, we've been, well, this is day 6 of me trading on the channel. So just trying to, the number one goal is to be profitable, right? Like, I don't even really care about making 100 bands in a day. Would that be nice? Fuck yeah. But that's just not gonna happen. That's just not gonna happen. Not now, at least. Not now. WJ Ski, man. Oh yeah, you definitely heard it a lot of times. Never mind. Yeah, bro. So just make like a cool little $30 here, $40 here, $50 here, and then like go from there. Just build it up slowly. You never watch Morgan's live, bro, because I be doing stuff. Do I just keep getting W's from you? Yeah, I say so. I be either like editing a video or like filming something or I don't know, watching other creators, but I do pop in. You know, like there's some lives I go into and I might not even comment, you know? I just go in there and watch. Just go in there, observe, try to learn a thing or two. What's working for this person, what's working for that person, you know, like that type of stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's what I do. Might go and say hi real quick, you know? But I try to pop in at least once or twice a day. Hey, J-Ski. She be in the chat. Alright, well, I gotta check out these, or at least check the news or something. Alright, let's see what's good. Nah, you did not. Wait, hold on. Let me close this real quick. I'm not afraid anymore. Forget about it. I'm so bored. And I'm so bored. No, yo, I don't know what that means. Bro. What? Intel, silver. go with Netflix today too. Actually, let's go with QQQ. 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 I ain't even asked for that shit. The singer just asked if I wanted the song, and I'm like, for sure. Creep flowed. Oh, it flopped. It flopped. It flopped. I thought you were gonna say flowed. I was like, I like windows down better. Day 6, yes sir, Warrior. What's good, bro? What's good, man? I like windows down better. Late night, it's me and you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Coop. Like, I'm not just ready to say it. I'm not just gonna say it for no reason. Late night, it's me and you. Promise that you won't roll the windows down. Stock market news. Warrior, how you doing today, bro? Oh, let's go. Oh. 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 Looks like Trump is bluffing. Looks like Trump is bluffing. Looks like Trump is bluffing. Off day, damn, okay. Just chilling, trying to make some money, man. Trying to make some money. So let's look at the news. Looks like Trump is bluffing. So does this look like QQQ? Oh yeah, QQQ opening strong. But as I always know, whenever something opens up strong, it at least takes a little dip. It at least takes a little dip. So we definitely don't want to play this too early. All right, bet, Coop. Yo, Coop, come back. Let me know. All right, so QQQ tracks like all the tech stocks, right? Let me search this up. So you got Invesco, Spider S&P 500, Nvidia. Hold on. Let's look up all the holdings about QQQ. I think it's in here. Is it in here? Might be in here. Yeah, you got Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, which is also Google. Well, it is Google. Tesla, Meta, Alphabet Class C. I don't know the difference between Class A and Class C. Walmart, Broadcom. But yeah, those are just top 10. And then a bunch of other tech stocks. So since it looks like tech's going to have a big day, QQQ is also going to have a big day. At least that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like to open up. I could play this shit early. If I play this shit early, am I cooked? Nah. Scared money don't make no money, bro. Scared money don't make no money, chat. It's bad? Yeah, see? You should learn the guitar because it's fun. Yeah, I would love to. Either that or like the piano. The piano would be fun too. Opening a new tab. Let's do tech stocks today. Show mixed signals. Alright, well this is also from a day ago. Give me some fucking news from today. Oh, okay. So Monsef. I just can't trust, people be like, yo, say this, say this. Next thing you know, I'm getting canceled. I gotta memorize his shapes. For the guitar? Nah, yo, why do I feel like it's harder, bro? Monsef. Cause she bad. And I had to catch the people off guard. Had to catch the people off guard with the first one. She is bad though. She is bad. If you say she's not bad, yo, you crazy, twin. You crazy, twin. Alright, let's go back. See? Yeah, see, yo, same shit, gang. Oh yeah, we love this. Yeah, I would love to learn an instrument though.
Half protection is not enough. Using just an antivirus online is also not enough. Get better protection from online threats. Get NordVPN now.
Which is outperforming, and that is something we haven't seen in a while. The rest of 2000.
She still look good though.
Maybe achieving liftoff off of those
Like that's not. She's not ugly here.
over the last few years. And then we got to check in on the bond market as well. Here's a 30-year.
Yeah, yo, this isn't
30-year
ugly.
bond yield down. We're going to call that break even, 4.87%. We got.
Like, yeah, she looks better with makeup on, but
Day basis to 5%. That will
did she have surgery?
psychological levels that
Oh.
the stock market just doesn't like, and we did see stocks roll over, as it has happened in that case many times before over the last few years. So bonds are not screaming any disaster here. Dollar's not screaming any disaster. So it looks like things are on the upswing here, Julie.
Yeah, and I would just offer one precision on something you said. You said it's Buy America now. I mean, it's
Bro,
not just Buy America.
he's in
Right? 'Cause
Africa.
Stocks are rising also, so it's not sort of a trade-off of one for the other. Richard, I want to bring you into this discussion because obviously, as we've been talking about, there's been a lot of focus on geopolitics this week. We've seen the swings in the market. How do you handle that as somebody who is managing money?
Well, within the framework of
Bro, speed in Africa, bro.
tiered analysis
As soon as he gets to the US, it's a wrap.
Fed and geopolitics. The geopolitics is the wild card this year. Obviously, POTUS is going to have a lot of self-inflicted wounds on the market. Yet we have to look back to last April when we had Liberation Day, and as I said, it's self-inflicted, so they'll naturally cure themselves. So what we're doing.
So is this taco by another name? Is what you're talking about? Trump always chickens out, that the market reacts and then he backs off?
I think I think as an investor, we have to look at the other two fundamentals I mentioned, which is the economic landscape, which is very positive, the Fed, which would be very accommodative, and then when we look at this last one, creating the volatility, it's creating buying opportunities as a result of the other two being very positive.
Gotcha. So in other words, you think the fundamental backdrop is positive, and you're not worried that this volatility will spill over into fundamental. It's just going to sort of be surface market volatility?
No, it's very separated and segregated. When we look at the fundamentals,
Is speed live? I don't know.
Declining inflation, a robust economy.
I don't know.
We've got excellent jobs.
Could I get copyrighted for this?
Jobs are moderating but growing.
500 for a cheap
but
kit,
we've got an
30 for
excellent
drumsticks.
backdrop
Not to mention they
for
break a
earnings
lot.
growth.
Lessons are
And
expensive,
we've had
and it
12
requires a
quarters
lot of time and
successful
dedication to
earnings
learn.
growth. I think we
Ah,
continue with
tight
that,
shit.
and as you know, earnings fall. Stock prices
Bro.
follow earnings.
Right.
26 is not old, bro.
From that perspective, the landscape is very positive. When we look at the Fed, it's going to be accommodative. Obviously, we're going to have a new Fed chair. So when we combine the fundamentals of the economy, the Fed, and the geopolitical scene, which will be filled with these self-inflicted wounds, they present an opportunity because the backdrop of investing today is very good.
And so where are you looking right now? And has where you're looking changed in 2026 from 2025?
The playbook is about maintaining and then considering some broadening out of the market. So maintaining is our core positions in large cap
Bryce
technology,
Gramps, that's crazy.
the AI universe, that trend is really one of the main ones driving the economy. For example, high net worth spending and the AI tailwinds is actually driving economic activity now. So we want to stay with that. We want to avoid the selective capitalism being handed out by POTUS. For example, whether it's
Little bro.
or institutional home owners.
All right, cool.
How do you know where that's going to land next is the problem. So
Yeah.
you avoid it when it happens, but that's by sort of definition being reactive then instead of proactive.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'd be buying those names after they go down,
Right.
but I try to avoid what is a known known. Obviously, we don't know what's coming up next. Areas of opportunity on the broadening out theme will be in consumer goods, banks, other areas where they rotate away from the AI and technology trade.
Interesting. So you want to own the AI and technology trade, but at the same time you want to get into some of those broadening areas. Do they have to be integrating AI, or it's separate entirely from that theme?
Well, I think that's the theme that's going to occur over the next few years, where
It's
many
from
industry
today?
groups
Yeah, this
will
is from
continue to
today.
integrate, embrace,
That's from
and become
yesterday's
more
post.
efficient by adopting AI. And the primary outcome will be higher margins, and we'll also see greater efficiencies in their operations. So that margin improvement will lead to greater operating cash flow and hence free cash flow.
Chat, we're gonna make a
So
fat trade today.
AI adoption is going to be a long-term
Been on
process
Polymarket?
for
Nah, what is that?
America, which will ultimately benefit earnings.
Richard, thanks so much for coming in. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
And now it is time for some of today's trending tickers. We're going to watch GE Aerospace, Abbott.
Oh,
and
this
Brysofly.
shit.
First
Oh
up,
my
GE Aerospace,
gosh.
The stock racing earlier gains at the opening bell, despite reporting better than
Nah,
expected
yo,
results
I
in the
haven't.
quarter.
I've heard of it,
Both
though.
Earnings and revenue topped Wall Street expectations.
I've heard of it.
And the midpoint of the company's guidance also coming in above estimates. One concern that could be weighing on the shares, the rate of growth expected for 2026 is slower than last year. And Abbott Labs shares in the
This is
medical device
crazy that
company
you could bet on
sinking
real-life
weak
events.
Fourth quarter sales and disappointing first quarter guidance. The key factor there, weak sales in Abbott's nutrition division, which includes baby formula and protein drinks for adults. The company is saying disappointing sales were a result of new pricing actions to drive demand. And finally, Mobileye. That company reporting mixed results for the fourth quarter, but it's the guidance that is weighing on that stock ahead of the open. Its annual sales forecast missing the street's estimates as tariffs weigh on its key customers, automakers.
Name my setup of streaming.
Driving and the pace of
What do you mean?
adoption has been slower than expected as well.
Like,
The stock
tell you what
has
I
recently
use?
gotten a lift during CES from some new announcements, but now we're seeing that leg lower. Coming up next, our morning brief will count you down to the opening bell and also dig into the economic outlook with Mark Zandi, Moody's Analytics.
Oh, so right now I'm using OBS to stream.
The three factors he
OBS
says
connects to
determine
YouTube or
US growth.
Twitch, Kick, whatever you want to use. I don't know if it connects to TikTok too, but that is what we use. I don't really know. It's not much to it, but to do it, you feel me? Oh shit. So this is still in play right here. This is still in play. This is the play that we had in mind earlier. Silver, I don't know enough about it. Intel, honestly don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna stick to index funds. 'Cause that's what I know more of. When we try to diversify too much, that's when you get fucked. Hey, well, welcome to the channel. I hope that you stick around for a while. You know, don't just leave, you know. chilling vibe for a little bit, you feel me? Like, yo, just vibe, twin. Just vibe, twin. Just vibe, twin. But yeah, yo, we're gonna make some freaking moolah today. We're gonna make some moolah, some young money. You know what I mean? Damn, my room kind of a mess right now. It's been a mess. It's just been a mess. You know, can't do nothing about it, bro. It is what it is. It is what it is, gang. You know, can't do shit about it.
When niggas start making some money, like any type of money, it can be small, a lot, don't matter. And start buying dumb shit. I'm niggas. I want this dumbass car. I'm a kid on this motherfucker. My shit very low. When I bought this car, it was down at $8,000. Okay, keep that in the back of your mind. I put down $8,000 on this car. Knowing damn well I should have did that, but it's okay. You can judge me, but nigga, it's my life. I'm here. I have fun. So I was thinking to myself, I was like, what is the easiest way to get my money back? Sell this fucking car. I was like, okay, let me go. I'm not gonna do the CarMax thing.
Wow.
All the third party stuff. No, I'm going straight to the Tesla dealership, and I want to see what my car is valued at. Plus, it should be higher value because I have a kit that's really rare on this fucking car.
Nah, yo, I'm trying to tell you, yo, people make a lot of money with those futures trades, like real life events. Should make no sense. But they probably also lose a lot. People don't show the losses, bro.
The reason why I never announced.
And 12 trades is insane, though. With $12, what the fuck was he betting on? Oh, oh my gosh. I think this takes a dip. I think all the stocks take a dip before open. That's just the way it's gonna go. What do we think, chat? Even this one. I'm liking this one too again. Yeah, y'all, I'm liking this one a lot. So let's put the two that I fuck with right next to each other. Let's put this over here too. Open up the chart. Check NAS 100. Alright, better say less. Oh, NASDAQ. Actually, let's get rid of silver. Damn. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Damn. That's a lot of fucking money. How much is this? 12K. Holy shit. That would make you rich though. Like, yo, if I just had that much laying around, I would only have to make one trade a week. That'd be like, yo, all you gotta do is hit 1 to 2 good trades a week and then you're good. Yeah. But as you can see, we do not have that much to work with. So let's get down to business. The way that I like to see like how much something's gonna cost, you do this and you do times 100, and then that's how much it's gonna cost. If you want to get 2 contracts times 200, 3 contracts times 300, boom. Stock market news today. Let's see what else they got coming out. Stocks are gonna rebound. I like this. I like the sound of this. Yo, I think, bro, Trump was bluffing, bro. He saw that Greenland wasn't going for it, and now he's all like, all right, never mind. Or he might just be calling it off for now, because I saw a press conference. He looked like he really wanted Greenland bad. He might be calling it off for now, and then later, they might just invade that motherfucker, bro. They might invade that motherfucker crazy. Fuck. Let's get down to business. Oh, okay. Alright. So we're gonna wait for this to come out to make a trade. The inflation news. Because if that's looking good, then we're good. Green bean all around the market. If that's bad, then chat, we are cooked. I'm talking about like tank. Like we already had a job report come out bad that day. The market tanked. I think, when was this? Something else came out bad too. Market tanked. I think it was company earnings. Yeah, it was company earnings that came out. Markets tanked. So now I guess we just sit and wait for inflation news. And I'm not the biggest expert on this shit, so like, bro, y'all are going through it with me. It's my first time doing this shit, you feel me? We're all in this together. We're all in this together. Dude, fruity? Nah, little bro, that's you, little bro. Bro, y'all be on dick to the max.
Keon, unless someone just blows us away. We didn't feel anything was attractive enough for us to pass up on Keon. All things considered, both things considered, our chances with the guy who's feels the best fit. Yep.
Hey, y'all. Why do you keep checking your watch?
If a person that give a nigga a break,
Bro, do you have huzz? Like, yo, you sitting here in my stream. Bro, you're sitting here on my stream and you're talking about day 95 of Bryce with no huzz around. Do you have huzz? Like, bro, if you had huzz, right? Would you be in here? I don't know. Alright, we got about 9 minutes. You got receipts? Alright, throw them in Discord, bro. Throw them in Discord, little bro. Alright, here's what's gonna happen. This shit's gonna take a dip, right? And yo, I'm giving y'all the method right here. And then it's gonna shoot right back up. This type of pattern right here. Boom, boom. If it keeps going up, we're cooked for today. I'm not trading that. I'm not eating that. What's that from? Chat, does anybody know what that quote's from? I'm not eating that. With some ratchet ass friend, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. FREE free. Alright, I feel pretty good about market today. Oh, I can't lie. We're gonna freaking crush it. Why are you a vegetarian? I definitely am not. Damn.
Make it twirl when she dance, yeah. I got the world in my hands, I got your girl in my pants, yeah. You know.
Pop that thing later. Pop. Wait, did the Nelk Boys complete their 100-mile challenge? Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. They weren't even ready for it. It seems like they just completely like botched it. No. How long would 100 miles even take to do? 'Cause that's a long ass run. Let's see if they completed it. Oh, it doesn't say anything for it. It is on Kick. I think it's on Kick. Let's go on Kick real quick. They're 84 miles in. Damn. $20 hours, bro. What the fuck?
Little hill, guys. Walk up the hill. Always walk up the hills.
Bro.
Fucking crazy, bro.
This is crazy.
Like, it hurts, but like, yeah, of course. Like, that's not a question anymore. Crazy. Can't believe it, bro. Like, we ran 80, almost 85 miles.
My son was good. Have you ever raised money for charity? Nah, never.
Yeah.
I never have. I've donated stuff, of course, but I've never tried to do a fundraiser for charity or anything. Nice and steady, you feel me? Yo, Joseph, the market's looking good today, bro. The markets are looking good today. Yeah, yo, I was about to say, yo, pause, bro. The markets are looking good today. Trump's holding back on his tariffs. It looks like he's bluffing. The only thing that we're really waiting for is this, an inflation reading. So I don't know when that's going to happen, but I think I'm gonna hold off and wait for that to come on, whenever it comes out. Are your plays looking good, my son?
Millie going?
You know you got to take care of Pops one day. I ran 9 miles in almost every day back in Orlando. In my early 20s, running is boring. It is, but I feel like if you have a group like this, right, and you're also live streaming it and you've been practicing for it,
Not like this though.
and yo, this motherfucker got a whole prize pick section for it. Like, bro, that would be fun. That would be fun. But if you're just running by yourself every day, yeah, I'm sure that sucks.
85 miles.
Yeah, yo, Joseph, yo, got to, man, got to.
Love it, CCR.
I just want to make sure I'm making the right decisions, you feel me?
Baby.
Yes, sir. Alright. I don't want to just watch them run. That's fucking crazy, though. 2026, this bitch giving belt. Come on, son. You just not locked in, gang. You just not locked in. You just not locked in. This is all I'm gonna focus on, right? Just index funds. The individual stocks be moving too much, gang. I feel like just getting started out is the best way to go. And then when I get more comfortable, like reading the charts and shit, like the actual candle wicks, then I'll move to the big money plays. You feel me? But for now, slow and steady, man. Just win. Just win. Oh, you did? That's good. That's good. That's good. That's what I'm mainly in. Just the long-term plays. Yeah, no, but long-term, you win. As long as you pick the right stocks, bro, you win long-term. Yup, chat, what did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? As soon as the market opens, we're taking a dip. A dip. I think it gets to about here. And then... let's split screen this. The thing that I've noticed is that, like, oh yeah, yo, Prison Cheeks, I'm hip. The thing that I noticed is that a lot of the long-term stock reading strategies can still be applied to the short-term stuff. Like, I've been watching these same charts for years now. I'm not a pro or nothing, obviously, but I feel like I have a good grasp of what it's going to do. Especially when you pay attention to the news and shit. Yeah, like, this is just going to keep falling. No? Yep. But yeah, I would say Windows Down is still that song. Windows Down is still a banger, for sure. Bri, go? No, bro. Hell no. Whenever there's a strong open, most of the time, it falls. Now, depending on the news, it bounces back, obviously, but the people who get in early, I don't know what the fuck they be doing, but yeah, they just get in early and freaking sell off. And then, when you get the right opportunity to strike, you strike. You feel me? Alright. I want the inflation news though. I don't want to just go for it right now. Cardi B or Nicki Minaj? Ooh. That's hard. Nicki Minaj. Yeah, Nicki. I gotta go with Nicki. Oh, damn. Yeah, I gotta go with Nicki. Nicki. Put it in her kidney. Latest report, when did this come out? Oh, fucking course. Of course. Missed out on this. Damn, son. I feel like this one not too far behind though. Let's see what it's doing. Shit's dropping. All the tech is dropping right now. No need to rush it. No need to rush it. No need to rush it. Oh shit. Damn, I almost made the wrong play. Alright. Keeps flirting back and forth between 620 and 621. Hey, Ghost, you too, man. Oh, W. Okay, Ghost. Alright, see, and now it's just falling, crashing. See? And that's why we did not get into it. And that is why we did not get into it. Because now we wait, right? We wait. This shit right here going. I'm kind of sick about that. You know, it is what it is. Patience, chat. Patience is important. Patience is important. All right, now let's put this in the trading view. I already know this is the play that I want to make. Might even only have to make one play today if I do it right. We saw the strong ass open, and I'm talking about like a steroids type open. And now it's falling, it's creeping. But we got this green candle right here. Is that bullish? Nope. It's gonna keep getting hammered and hammered and hammered. And it's gonna keep falling in love with you. You feel me? Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stay green. There we go. This downward hammer right here, this usually isn't a good thing. That's what they be saying. That's what they be saying. But like, wait, is it a good thing? Shit. That could be a good thing. That could be a great thing, actually. Fuck. It's trying to come back. There we go. I am praying on this shit's downfall. It ain't gonna fall forever though. So we gotta get in here eventually. Alright, let's just go for it. See what happens. Boom. Put in a nice little play. Boom. Metro boom and make it boom. Alright, well, thank you for being a good boy and a good son and watching your father. Boom. Holy shit. Madison Bear or Sydney Sweeney? Give me Sydney. Damn. As soon as I put that bitch in, it was like plus 20. Alright. We gotta stay on this one because this one's moving fast as fuck. This one's moving fast as shit. Get up there, get up there. Alright, it's gonna dip for a little bit. We know that. It's going to dip for a little bit. We know that. You don't want to dip for too long, though. Alright. I feel like with this play right? Oh, shit. I saw a number that I liked, so we're taking out at that. Don't sweat the technique. Don't sweat the technique. Oh shit, I don't like the way this graph is moving now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is boring, that's cool, bro. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Shit. Did I enter a little premature? I think I did. Alright, but here's the thing about this shit, right? You gotta breathe. When you don't breathe, that's when you're cooked. I'm breathing right now and I'm still cooked. Yeah, I feel like you gotta be a real psychopath to get into this shit, y'all. I can't lie. Like, to be able to do this shit every day. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, shit. We're going for a ride right now. Chat, we going for a ride. Chat, we going for a ride, baby. We going for a ride, baby. We going for a ride, baby. Don't send me no fucking negative notifications, game. God damn. Alright, Prison Cheeks. How we feeling about this trade, my son? How we feeling about this trade, my son? Is it gonna put you in your favorite book bag? Am I gonna be able to get you your favorite fruit snacks? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what goes on. I'm a little nervous right now, I can't lie. Woosah, let's just breathe and let it be. Let it go, let it go, let it be. Let's just breathe. Let's be one under the sun. Yikes. And now we get fucked. Crazy thing is, like, I knew it was gonna dip, right? I just didn't know how much. I feel like nobody ever knows how much, right? So now we just sit here and sweat this, okay? Let's get out of this view. I can't do anything about it. Ski, 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 ski all over her back, her fleece, whatever I said. Oh yeah, now I'm busting on her fleece. Ski, 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 ski all over her back. What did I say? I don't even know what I be saying, gang. I just be talking. I just be creeping. You feel me? But good morning, Rise. What you up to, man? Ski, ski, ski all over her back. Hey, hey. Yeah, I'm a creep. Yeah, I'm a creep. Yeah, I'm a creep. And so I creep. Yeah. Ah, yes. We love creep. Pull up the shorty crib just to fuck her butt. Street cleanup. Fuck that. Wait, what? Hey, yo. Like you're cleaning up your neighborhood? It's kind of a W. Oh my god. Oh. Street sweep. Holy fuck, we're getting crushed. What happened? What happened? Bro. No. You know what, chat? We've been through worse situations than this, right? Whenever this is happening, I always say just watch something positive because it'll bounce back. So let's not this. Let's turn off any stock news right now. Yeah, this shit had a big crash. Ooh. Yeah, I'm a creep. Yeah, I'm a creep. And so I creep. Yeah. Oh, man. All right, anyway. We just keep our mind off of that, you know, because that shit negative. That shit negative, gang. That shit negative. We're not going to look at that. We're not going to look at that. You know what we look at instead? Oh, man. I think the worst part about all this day trading shit is like trying to stay sane. Because this is not like a sane person activity at all. I feel like if I were to do this long term, right, this would definitely take years off my life. In the worst way possible. In the worst way possible. So I feel like the best thing to do is to just not look. Even though I keep looking at it, I can't stop. Why did they use cocaine in the 80s? Because it was a fun new drug. It was a fun new drug. It gave people that rush. Yeah, I don't know. Good question. Good question. I have no clue. But you want to know? Whenever you don't know the answer to something, use ChatGPT. Fuck Google. We don't use Google no more. We don't like Google. And fuck all the water on the planet. Ooh. Yeah. Money, image. Oh, it was seen as safe. Non-addictive. Haha. Haha. Nah, yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Doing coke equals you made it. Wow. Manage the demands of long work days and experience a euphoric high. Huh. I guess that does make sense. Especially with the focus thing. Cause it's like, yo, you can't be worried about anything else on the outside. Like, no outside noises, pressure, nothing. You gotta stay tapped in. So yeah, that does make sense. Hey, I hit the gym this morning, watched the news, and I was like, yo, I gotta make some money today. So that's why we are here. Fucking stressing this trade, stressing this move. I wouldn't even call it stressing. We're not stressing. We're so like chilling, you feel me? Like, so Rise, I guess that means I need to start sniffing. I gotta start sniffing. If I want to be successful with this shit, I gotta do what the successful people do. In order to be rich, you have to act rich. You have to already know it's gonna happen, you know? So in order to be a successful trader, you have to act like a successful trader. You gotta act like you've already been there. That's what we're gonna do. So one day, if y'all see me on stream and I'm like, don't ask no questions, you already know. You already know. You already know. You didn't use Adderall in college? I did once. Yeah, I definitely have. I'd be lying if I say I didn't. It was just one night though. I think it was just one night. Yeah, we Super Smash Bros came out. Super Smash Bros Brawl came out, and we took Adderall and we just played it all night. And that was fun. That was a fun night. But other than that, in high school I did it was like at homecoming. Somebody was like, "Yo, this is gonna keep you up all night." I didn't know what the fuck I was taking. Yo, I coulda OD'd. Yeah, that shit's scary now looking back at it. Yeah, high school was wild for that. Yeah. What about you, Rice? You ever do any of that stuff? Any of that bad stuff? That degenerate stuff? Alright, let's see how our trade's doing. I can't stay away for too long. Oh, fuck. This is not a good sign right here. Unless it's gonna make this little W. If it makes a W, then we are good. Obviously. Is it going to make a W? Let's see. Boom. Fuck. Huh. You know the good thing about this is that, like, you win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. I don't think there's any trader that's just straight a winner, you know? I take Adderall and they didn't really prescribe Xanax anymore because it causes dementia. Oh, yeah, I did not know that. Bro, I used to have a kid in my English class. He would come to school, like, just straight zooted off the Xans. And you could see it. You know, his eyes would be rolling back. He would just be so sluggish. Like, that boy did not care about his life, gang. What happened? What happened? There was something big in the news. There was something big in the news that happened. It was something that made commodities crash, like silver and gold. Like that crashed, but stocks went up. I think it was Trump pulling out of Greenland. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was that news. Fuck. Yeah, so we're gonna set a stop loss for this one at like $50. Bro. If I go down 50, I gotta pull out. That's just the responsible thing to do. Because a moment like yesterday is not gonna happen. Not again. Fuck no. Oh shit. Yo, this shit bounced back though. It crashed and then it bounced back. The fuck? Why ain't this shit bouncing back? Come on, man. Yo, you gotta lock in, Twin. You're not locking in enough for me. You're not locking in enough for me. Yeah, I don't know though. What am I gonna do today? Oh yeah, I'm doing some Mai Tai workout. Let me see when the guy's gonna be down for that. It'll be at the beach, so we're gonna live stream that. So awkward. What did that shit just go down to? I thought I saw it went down to 617. What the fuck? Nah, yo, bounce back, gang. Yo, bounce back. Yo, start running, bro. Like, I low-key want to sit here and sweat this, but I know that's not healthy, bro. I know for a fact that's not healthy. Let's just go on Instagram, gang. Yeah. 4 viewers, yeah, double bag my groceries. Nah, yo, we sweating the trade right now. We sweating the trade and it's not looking too good. It is not looking too good. I thought I got in low enough. And I did. It started rising fast. But I just didn't get out quick enough. And then all of a sudden that bitch started falling on me. And I'm like, fuck. But the good thing about this shit is that we have all day, gang. Like, we have all day. We also have all day for it to fall, but we have all day for it to come back up. Yannick, what you up to, bro? This is it right here. One game can't hurt. Yo, you're right, bro. You are so right. But I got in around, like, here. Around, like, the 620 range. And I was like, oh, yeah, yo, we good. This is where you stay in the pocket, gang. I gotta stay in the pocket? Oh my god. The barbershop waiting for your turn? W, bro. You're ready to get that good cut. You're ready to get that Wilmer cut. You ready to get that Wilmer cut. Bro said this is where you gotta stay in the pocket. I feel like all my linemen let me down. And I'm straight getting blitzed right now. That's what's happening. On a straight 6-man rush. On a straight 6-man rush, gang. I don't know. Staying in the pocket down 60% don't seem like the right move. Chat, what do we think, bro? Yo, chat, what do we think? 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 Damn, SG. That shit ass. That's creep. They said you got rushed by 6 men. Bro, that's how it feels right now. That's that creep shit, gang. That's that creep shit. True, yo, Yannick, you do be on them yachts. You do be on them yachts and them jet skis. Just like how Lil Baby said. We be on them jet skis. Shit. Bro, you're telling me a bunch of buyers don't want to come in right now and just buy this shit? Like, come on, gang. Come on, gang. You want to be a rapper or something? Nah, not at all. This shit's strictly for clicks. Just chat lore, really. Just chat lore. Pebbles Walker. Nah. Oh shit. I got in a whole $2 too early, my son. Cause I was watching it here, and then I was like, all right, bet it's gonna go down to 620. And I'm like, all right, it got down to 620, and then I bought in, and then it just kept going down, and I'm like, oh fuck. Now we're at the free fall phase, where yes, it's a little stressful, but you just gotta ride it, bro. You dead ass just gotta ride it, bro. Pause. Yo, now's not the time for Diddy jokes, bro. Now's not the time for Diddy jokes. I like this play too, but I feel like this gonna keep falling. I think the whole market's just falling right now. Hold on. Let me check. The best gauge that I have is using my long-term portfolio. Yeah. It's just gonna keep falling. Yeah, yo, drop that IG, man. Drop that IG. She looked like auntie, bro. Like, yo, this is auntie, bro. This is auntie right here. The hair. Bro. She definitely had that lipo shit, though. Oh, fuck. Ooh. That shit gonna drop down to 617. I know it is. I know it is, yup. Alright. I gotta cut my losses, bro. Yo, I gotta cut my losses. Hold on, yo, chat. Yo, what do we think here? What, yo, what are we thinking here? 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 All right, relax. You're right. I don't have to make all the money right now, but I also could lose a lot. It's not like this is a life-changing amount of money right here. It is a lot of freaking money though. All right, let's just relax. Let's stop looking at it. Let's see what happens. Nah, yo, she definitely fly though. She definitely fly. Who bull? Who bull? Crazy sexy stalker. I do, Yannick. I do. But that's more of like a long-term position for me. That's a long-term position for me. I don't trade that on a day-to-day. That should be moving too much.
forgot about that? You.
What type of live is she on? Is this? Oh, yeah, yeah. Is this Facebook Live?
Well, when I get, hey PJ Fox, shut up, man. You always gotta come up, nigga. Just listen. That's why you ain't fucking nothing.
Hey, yo.
That's why you just be looking at these internet motherfuckers, dog. All that for some pussy, they do you like that. You niggas ain't never had no money, so y'all don't know what it's like. That's why you niggas that don't got no money, that's why y'all don't approach them bitches. Cause y'all don't approach them hoes, cause y'all know that you ain't gonna get her anyway, cause you ain't got no money. You know she want money. When you walk up on them girls and you see her teeth done, and she got a BBL, and she got them clothes on, and you know you broke, you know BBLs and broke don't mix. You broke, don't even walk up on this BBL. That's what they be telling you. Nigga, don't even walk up on this BBL. They be flexing on you niggas like that any motherfucking way. They showing you their ass like what they want to tell you. Nigga, this shit cost 10 grand. You finna get none of this 10 grand.
Oh my god. Nah, your unk going crazy. Nah, your unk going crazy. So they be on Facebook Live. You be joining the Facebook Lives? I know y'all need guys to be on Facebook Live. Hot girl soul food. What is this? Oh. Oh. She got her own seasoning. $50 for some seasoning? Wait, what? Nah, are you lying, gang? Come on, bro. That shit better turn my food into freaking magic, gang. What? Oh, she had a catering business too? Okay. 4 hours, $500 for a food truck. I feel like that's a pretty good rate. If you have a lot of people. Bro, if you have a lot of people, I feel like, especially for a big party, this could be good. LJB supporting her. Oh, yeah, that boy Lamar a gooner. That boy Lamar a gooner. Damn. Nah, yo, I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Nah, that ass LJB trying to clap. That's my quarterback. Play the IG unclip. Alright, bet. I ain't getting my meat slurped up yet. Nah, yo, Unk funny though. Alright, let's see this one.
No. I'm just saying, I don't sit around and I don't like the motherfucking coach. I can fuck with some realistic people. I can like the realistic people pictures. But I can't like no motherfucking Nicki Minaj and Ariana Dunn. I can't fuck them. I mean, I ain't jumping up and down because I see them. I'm looking at these realistic, ghetto, hood women that's in reach. I'm not where you up there with the rappers. Ball greasy. I don't like that shit. I'm supposed to be looked they agreed. He ain't supposed to be.
How she know this guy though? Well, what's him and the guy's relationship, or her and the guy's relationship? Are they just friends or what?
Yeah, first time all the way from
Shot-town, baby.
I know that's right.
Okay. Text this fool real quick.
Nah, Uncle's definitely trying to hit.
Down here.
Just like mama shit. She know what she doing.
Uncle's definitely trying to hit.
That's what I'm talking about, cuz. Let's get good.
Okay, well tell them come on down to Hot Girl Soul Food.
Come on down to Hot Girl Soul Food.
I know that's right.
Yeah, I need me some of that though. I do need me some of that. That shit look good. That shit look good. Wait, hold on. Yannick, why she follow you though? Yannick, how you get the follow? How Yannick get the follow? Okay, Yannick. Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying. Oh shit, true.
I can't wait to see each and every last one of you guys tonight. Remember, bring your freakum dress, alright? So, this is my freakum dress. Hope to see each and every last.
Wait, hold on. Oh shit. I thought she had something covering them, bro. Gang. What the fuck? Bro, what? On the IG feed? Bro, yo, she ain't got no family? She ain't got no kids? Dog, what the fuck?
Okay, y'all make sure y'all go and support Hot Girl Soul Food. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hot Girl Soul Food. Make sure y'all go and pick up y'all bottle of Hot Girl Soul Food seasoning.
Make sure I get that seasoning.
And make sure y'all send some stars, support, and check out my website, hotgirlsoulfood.com. And make sure y'all subscribe.
Yes, man. Alright, let's see what other links you got. Inspiring Kids Boutique. Alright, well that's not a... I don't think that's a thing anymore. Yeah, it's not a thing anymore. Alright. Yannick, interesting find. Not bad. Nah, dead ass, bro. Let's see. Where's the link at? Bro. Hey man, you never know. Boo was good. Nah. Trading women sounds crazy. That sounds crazy. You never know. You never know what she might say. But yeah, now we're getting absolutely fucked in a trade right now. And I mean, like, in the worst way, too. Well, it's not that bad. It's just more of like a... Fuck. And I want to put in another one. Gotta try to hedge that. But, like, hedging is usually never the right move, right? I want to do it so bad. Might not be a bad play. If I wait for it, it's a bad play. Nah, yo, we're just not gonna do it. We're just not gonna do it. Yeah. So that's what we're in right now. That's what we're in right now. And yes, it did go up, but also it's been falling for a little bit. But it's cool, you know. We have all day to really execute the trade. That's the beauty in all this shit, right? But it also has all day to just keep falling. But that's the beauty in this shit, gang, for real. $99% of this shit is just coping. Just coping with your bad decision. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. I forgot about that. Let's do it, man. Let's do the photos. Alright. Alright, bro. Alright, yo, we off to a bad start. We off to a bad start. We off to a bad start. Hey. Oh, no. Hey, yo, this is true love right here. Dog, yo, this is true love right here, gang. No laugh, no smiling. Alright, bet. Play the vid I sent. Alright, hold on.
Hoverboard.
Why y'all keep sending him out to do dumbass shit?
I got it too.
Oh no, this is gonna end bad. Oh.
You so damn stupid.
You good? Just, whew. Hey, I'm finna hop on the hoverboard.
Oh. Oh, fuck no. Alright, bro. See, that's why they be saying people in Florida crazy. Shit like this game. They did them dirt. Nah. Nah. Oh, shit. Dead ass, bro. Every laugh is a thank you? Alright, yo, I'm definitely not laughing now. I don't really get that one. Limitless neck. Unlimited neck. That's what he giving. No. No. Yeah, I would have got the snitching ASAP, y'all. Yeah, I can't even lie. I definitely would have got the snitching, bro. Nobody would be safe in that bitch. Nobody would be safe in that bitch around me. Oh, here we go. My son said just stay in the pocket. Everything gonna be cool. Now let's see what happens. Alright. A whole pizza? Yeah, yeah, that's all it takes. Wait, where's he at? Oh! Real shit, my son. My son always coming through with the inspiration. Bro, I was like, hey, yo, where he at? Oh, there he is. Wait, why was I getting Discord notifications? Word. Alright, let's do the video 10 now. Yeah, I got the horses in the stable. Now let's ride, ride, ride. Alright, where's it at? Where are you at? Are we still? Yeah, we're still screen sharing. Alright, bet. Sensitive content? Bro, you better not get me banned, bro. Oh.
Weak bitch, nigga. And then my first time seeing you, I kill you. I'll fucking murder you. Come on, man. I'll murder you, bro. For 2 weeks, bitch, nigga. And then my first time seeing you, I kill you.
Alright, yo, chat.
Come on, man. I'll murder
Chat, I
you,
gotta take this
bro.
call real quick. I'm about to mute. Chat, we are back. Yo, my bad, yo. My bad, yo. Y'all know how that be. Y'all know how that be, chat. Y'all know how that be. All teeth is crazy. Nah, yo, relax, gang. She had me kicking my feet up, gang. She had me kicking my feet up. Nah, yo, we all good though. How deep is your love? All right, but the play that we made is getting a little better. I do feel like over the course of the day, it's gonna be a good trade. I'm praying, I'm hoping. Obviously, I want it to be, but we just gotta see what happens. Fuck. And of course, the one that I was looking at, it actually starts going up. Damn. Nah, deadass, bro. Yo, she got me kicking my feet up. She got me kicking my feet up, you feel me? She got me kicking my feet up. Like, damn, bro. Shit. You got my heart and got my mind. I think about you all the time. You can't hear me? Chat, can y'all hear me? Y'all taking a benchmark? Oh, hell no. I used to hate those. Bro, these be the worst type of plays, right? Yo, these be the worst type of plays. When you see it, when you see it down here, right? And then you're like, oh, fuck. And then it goes up here. Like, god damn. Like, that should be hurting, bro. It's a test. Yeah, it's a test, like a quarterly test to see where you're at. Like the pacer test. Bro, that pacer test used to go crazy. Like, when it was just you and your mans and all the huzz is watching. When it's just you and your mans and all the huzz is watching. Blessed, what's good, Blessed? You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. Are you a good YouTuber? Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah. I try to be. I try to be the best that I can. I try to do the best that I can. Bro. That boy been wilding out lately, bro. He been wilding out. He been wilding out, bro. You got me on that sweet shit. Alright. I think I'm gonna go for it. This might be a dumb decision by me. Hey, W blessed. Should I go for it? Took a little dip. Took a little dippy dip. I'm not even gonna say, gang. I'm not even gonna say, bro. I'm not even gonna say what it was. I'm not even gonna say what it was. If I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it. If I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it. If I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it. Like, yo, I literally gotta do it. Fuck it. If I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it. Nah, I did not finish the first play. First play still in motion. Is getting crushed right now. Who, random? I don't know. Alright, fuck it. Yo, we're being dumb. We're being dumb right now. Yo, we're being dumb. The emotions are definitely setting in. Alright. When that happens, you stop trading. When that happens, you stop trading. Like, the emotions are just too high right now. That was a dumbass play. That was a dumbass play. What the fuck was I doing right there? What the fuck was I doing right now? I'm just doing dumb shit right now, gang. Alright, bet blessed. I'm actually about to get off too. I'm about to get off too though. Appreciate y'all, chat. W's in the chat. Appreciate y'all being here, man. Tomorrow, day 7 of trading. You know, you win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. Alright, y'all. Nah, facts, my son. Alright, y'all.